at this.
Oh, it's falling.
Why is the one with the gray hair not falling? Why is it not falling? Oh my
It's about to fall.
This is crazy.
Look at that one over there on the side. Here, on the corner.
That one? Okay. Just have to put that. Oh, yo, he fell. Oh, Mama, I forgot one. Where's your little There. There you go. Oh my God. Two people are under here. Two people. They're like drowning.
Colin, which one you think is gonna fall next?
Oh, that one. That one fell. Oh, the girl fell. Myra, you can even see it from here.
Oh, the chair caiu.
Wait. Actually, it's cool. Like, can you see my body?
Look next.
There we go. Now the full fell.
Which one is over?
The one that is right there where the bubbles are.
This one?
No, right here.
Oh, that
Yeah.
one just fell.
Wait, does he? Oh, yep. Actually, that's fall.
Ooh.
Oh, wait. Yo. Yeah.
Which one is left?
Oh, I think
Oh, the girl just fell. This one.
I know.
That's the only one alive.
No, 1, 2, 3 more. 3 more still alive.
This one's not gonna fall.
Yeah, 'cause I put it in the good spot. Yo! Wait, is he drowning? Did you see my head?
Mm-hmm.
He's not drowning yet. Can you see my head inside there? Oh. Wait, the guy on the
And which one survived? Which one is less?
1, 2, 3 more. 3 more people. Because where the girl